on the right. Best food in town, in my humble opinion. We're going to continue 250 west over Monterey Mountain and coincide this video with some more beautiful scenery. So those of you watching this for motorcycle value can enjoy it as well. Speed limit 35 through here. This is a good spot for the visitors to get tickets, so just riders beware. Remove the sunscreen. So where were we? We were at the part where she's going to take she told me she's going to take the old one out and put the new one in because it was all blocked.
Max, can you earmuff it for me?
And I'm in what the fuck mode at this point. Like, I shouldn't be here in the first place. And here I am twice in one day. And so she starts taking the catheter out, and I mean, this isn't normal. This doesn't feel right. Doesn't feel right at all because I've had 2 of them removed already, and I'm not screaming this time, but like I'm in intense pain, and it finally comes out, and it's the size of a small almond, the little bladder that they inflate after they put it in. Well, this one, I guess, got some debris in it or something, and it just, like, I'm officially a mom now because I gave birth to something through my junk, and I'm just completely out of my mind at this point. And she said the previous nurse didn't inflate the bladder properly when she put it in earlier that day. Like, I could write a book, it could only happen to me, and that's probably a small club out there that has had 2 catheters put in them in one day. So at this point, getting the catheter put in is like a walk in the park. Finally got out of there. They didn't need to admit me. The kidneys were fine. They took urine samples and all that stuff. So we got out of there, I don't know, like 10 o'clock at night. But what an ordeal. It was by far one of the worst days, if not the worst day of my life. And I'm riding around with a Foley bag. I had to, being that it's summertime, go out and buy some mesh motorcycle pants, because I don't want to be that guy that just wears a Foley bag full of its contents and the tube and all of that stuff. I don't want to freak people out, and I don't want people to remember me like that. And that's just the way I am. You call it vanity, call it what you like. So I wanted to mention, there's a overlook right there, a little small gravel pull-off, and there's another one here. And the way you know that they're coming up is when you pass underneath the power lines. And the next turn will be those pull-offs, and you can get an incredible picture, and not just to get a little break and get a drink or whatever and surround yourself with beautiful scenery, but it's well worth the stop. And we're going to go down to Meadowdale Road and make a left, And I thought I'd coincide this video with some of the footage Danny Taylor at Mockingbird Fly took a few years ago, and that should be coming up just around this corner fairly soon. That just gives you a different perspective of how beautiful this area is. It's already in fifth, Richie. Maybe they should put a light on your dashboard and let you know it's already in fifth gear so you can look at it without shifting into fifth again from fifth. Enjoy the video. As you can see, it's really cloudy out. We've had rain the last 4 or 5 days, and there's more expected this afternoon. It's a nice little detour if you're wanting to bypass Monterey and continue south on 220. Or even if you are going to Monterey, you can go down this road, hit 84, make a left, which will spit you out on 220, and go a few miles back north into Monterey. And it's just a wonderful gem of a road. That section back there is usually where I find deer. I've even seen a bear. Thank you for getting on your side of it. They just don't realize what a panic that is for a motorcyclist in the oncoming direction. But I was talking about the pants I bought, and I wanted to remark on them briefly. I found them on Amazon. They were like 80 bucks. They're called Wicked Stock. And I wanted mesh pants to incorporate the Foley bag with, so I could wear them with the Foley bag and not have to display it to everyone. And right out of the driveway, I noticed immediately, because I can just wear shorts with these underneath. Heck, I could wear my underwear underneath if I felt like it. But it's just like wearing shorts. It's like, I mean, I feel the presence of them, but while riding, it feels like I'm riding in shorts. Not that I have ever been that guy. Well, maybe once. Once I was that guy. I was in Arizona and it was like 100 degrees. And we were just base camping at a hotel and riding local. So I wanted to be, I wasn't wearing flip-flops though. I wasn't wearing flip-flops. I think they were sneakers. But I'll leave a link in the description where I got them. Even though this is the first time that I've worn them, I'm sold. They're not cheap at all. They're double stitched. It's got the 600 denier. It's mesh, so it feels like you're wearing nothing pretty much. And there's 2 zippered pockets, 2 cargo pockets. It's got padding in the knees and the hips. The only thing it doesn't have is the reflective piping on it. So, you know, that's no big deal. That's not a deal breaker. It's great to be able to ride here, especially with what I'm going through right now. Notice the lack of fast food joints, box stores, strip malls, traffic lights. It's the best therapy there is in my book. So I just wanted to keep you both informed what's going on. I did get my lab results back from a couple days ago. PSA is down to 22.9, so we are progressing notably on that front. So, and one hand washes the other, so maybe by the time I do the next video I can be catheter free and no longer a mutant or a cyborg. That's what I refer to myself. I mean, this has just completely turned my world upside down. Fortunately, I can ride. There's a lot of people in a lot worse situations than I am, so I'm very thankful. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the section below if you have any similar experiences or if you want to share anything. And we'll catch you on the next one on Allegheny Motorcycle Adventures. Cheers, everyone, and ride extraordinary. Yep, that's how you tell the carpet bombing. So if you see that, especially if you're on one of those back roads out here with camelbacks, I just shifted into fifth again. Well, to my credit, that light on my dashboard is so dim. Like, if I was the Honda guy, I'd have made that thing bright ass chartreuse or something that just beamed at, hey, you're in fifth gear.